A Nob is a larger orc boy who is smaller than and subservient to an orc warboss, but still possesses some authority amongst other greenskins of his tribe or clan because of his greater than average size and strength. The term Nob is believed to be an orcish bastardization of the imperial low Gothic word for noble. To rise through the ranks of the orcs requires cunning, brutal cunning, and smashing the head of any challenger to Nob's throne. Orc Nobs often come to blows with rival mob leaders and go out of their way to prove their competency to the warboss. Nobs are thus both feared and revered. They can thrive as leaders provided they can survive a few knives in the back and dole out appropriate punishments. They are universally arrogant and headstrong, but through surviving numerous battles with the enemy and their boys, they are cunning enough to make deals with some enemies. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.